In this video, I'll guide you through how to use a Steam backup code when Steam Authenticator Guard fails. If you're having trouble accessing your Steam Guard Authentication code and can't sign into your account, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of using your Steam backup code so you can regain access to your account quickly and securely. Stay with me until the end, because the tutorial will begin in just a moment. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam launches, you'll be taken to the login screen if you're not already signed in. This is where you'll enter your account credentials to begin the login process. Go ahead and type in your account name and password carefully. Take a moment to double-check that everything is entered correctly, since even a small typing mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you're confident the information is correct, click the Sign In button to continue. After attempting to sign in, Steam will ask you to enter your Steam Guard Authentication code. Normally, this code comes from the Steam Mobile Authenticator or another verification method linked to your account. However, if you can't access that code for any reason, you can use your Steam Backup or Recovery code instead. Backup codes are provided when you set up Steam Guard and are designed specifically for situations like this. They're meant to help you regain access to your account if your usual authentication method isn't available. Because of that, it's always a good idea to keep your backup codes stored somewhere safe and accessible before you ever need them. When prompted for your Steam Guard code, enter your backup or recovery code instead. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears, paying close attention to letters and numbers. Once you've entered the code correctly, continue with the login process. If everything was entered properly, Steam will verify the backup code and allow you to access your account. From there, you'll be able to use your game library, community features, and everything else associated with your account as normal. Keep in mind that a backup code is intended as a recovery option. If you're repeatedly unable to receive Steam Guard codes, it's worth reviewing your account's security settings afterward to ensure your authentication methods are working correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can safely regain access to your Steam account whenever Steam Guard isn't available. I hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming.